In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on HubSpot. Exporting your contacts can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons, from keeping your records up to date in external databases to sharing contact lists with team members. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started on this process. First, you need to head over to the HubSpot website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL to get to their homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be directed to the Login page. If you prefer using your Google account, simply click on Sign In with Google. You'll then see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you want to use with HubSpot by clicking on it, and you'll be signed in. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the Settings section of HubSpot. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and find the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Click on it, and this will take you to the Settings dashboard. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see several options on the left. Find and click on Properties. This is where all your contact properties are managed, and it will play a key role in the export process. Once you're in the Properties section, you'll see a list of different properties you've created or that exist by default. Browse through this list and choose the specific property that you want to export. Once you've located it, look for the More button. This usually appears as 3 vertical dots. Click on this to reveal additional options. From the additional options, you'll want to click on Export. This action will prompt HubSpot to begin the export process. But before it does so, it will ask you to choose the format you would like to export your data in, whether you need a CSV file for spreadsheets, an Excel file, or any other format. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Finally, after selecting your preferred file format, you must confirm the export action by clicking on the Export button. HubSpot will then process your request, and your file will be ready for download shortly. You'll receive a notification, and you can download the file directly from the platform, or in some cases, use a link sent to your email. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from HubSpot. I hope you found this guide helpful and that the process was straightforward. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at managing your contacts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.